Hi there. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up auto-delete messages on Telegram. Whether you're looking to keep your chats clutter-free or add an extra layer of privacy, this feature is super useful. So, let's dive right in. First, let's quickly talk about what the auto-delete feature is. This feature allows you to automatically erase messages in a chat after a set period without needing to delete them manually. It works in both personal chats and groups. First of all, you have to open Telegram and tap on top left 3 lines. After that, here you have to click on Settings. After clicking on Settings, here you have to click on Privacy and Security. After that, you have to click on the button with Auto Delete Message at the top. As soon as you click on it, here you have to select the time during which you want to delete your message. Now you have to select your time after which you want to delete your message. In this way, you can automatically delete your messages after some time. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell for more handy tech tips. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.